Hello, my name is Tesfai, and here I am today to introduce you to counting in Afan Oromo. How do we count in Afan Oromo? What are the numbers, the symbols we use in Afan Oromo? And what are the difference between Afan Oromo counting and other systems, or what is the similarity as well? In this video, we will gonna see this. And um, I am going to introduce you to the numbers. This is the numbers, the standard numbers we already know. The numbers range from 0 to 9. And this is how we call them. We call 0, tokko, lama, sadii, afur, shan, ja'a, torba, saddeet, sagal. Sometimes we call also 0 duwa. So you can either call 0 or Dua. These are the standard numbers, the full numbers in the symbol, in the full symbols in Oromo number. There is no any other number. There is no any other symbol. Just like in English language, for example, we combine these numbers in different words to continue counting or to continue writing any number bigger than that. So let's say how we do the next numbers. So the next numbers is just like English, we add uh, 0, 1, and 0. That's going to be 10. We call it kudan. It may be hard to say it kudan. Kuda tokko. Now tokko comes back from the previous letter tokko. Kuda tokko. Kuda lama. Kuda sadi. Kuda afur. Kuda shan. Kuda ja'a. Kuda torba. Kuda saddeet. Kuda sagal. So what we did actually, we added kuda to numbers from 1 to 9, and we call it kuda tokko, kuda lama, kuda sadi, and so on. But some part of Oromia, some Oromo people call just like that, like this well. Kudani tokko, kudani lama, kudani sadi, kudani afur, kudani shan, kudani ja'a, kudani torba, kudani saddeet, kudani sagal. So it is a matter of dialect that differentiate between the two. Otherwise, the meaning is still the same. So kudan is 10. So it doesn't resonate with number 1 tokko. We will see number 10 and the number 20 doesn't have the same name or the sound, but others will do. We'll come to that. So here, that is the next numbers, digdama. Now digdama doesn't really sound like 220 like in English. It is digdama. We call it digdama, digdami tokko, digdami lama. After that, we just add the numbers onto digdama. The only thing that change is the last ma sound changes to mi. Digdami tokko, digdami lama, digdami sadi, and so on until we reach 29, digdami sagal. I think in Oromo, these are the two areas where it's really difficult to maybe remember. Once we know the numbers, Tokko Sadi Afushan Ja'a Torba Saddeet Sagal, then how do we name every tens of those? This is how we name them. So this is Quran, as we have seen that. This is Digdama. So Quran, Kuda Tokko, Digdama, Digdami Tokko. Now after that, the other numbers, 30, 40, 50, really doesn't uh, that much cause difficult. They don't, because we here we have Sadi as 3, so we said Sodoma for 30, Afurtama for 40, Shantama, Jatama, Torbatama, Saditama, Sagaltama. So that becomes very easy to say them. So Quran, Digdama, Sodoma. Now after this, we don't have any issue. After uh, after Qur'ani and the Digdama, Sodoma, Afurtama, Shantama, Jatama, Torbatama, Sadetama, Sagaltama. They actually Sadi, Sodoma, Afurtama, Shantama, Jatama, Torbatama, Sadetama, and Sagaltama. It's like taking the same sound from the original numbers, like 660, 770, 880, 990, like that. The only two different are 10 and the 20. Kudan, it doesn't go with Toko. Digdama, it really doesn't go with 2. The other numbers of hundreds and thousands follow the normal one. Like 100 means Ibba Tokko, because 1 is 1, Ibba is 100, Ibba Tokko. Ibba Tokko, Ibba Lama, Ibba Sadi, Ibba Afur, Ibba Shan, Ibba Ja'a, Ibba Torba, Ibba Saddet, Ibba Sagal. Nothing, no difference there. For thousand, it's exactly the same. Kuma Tokko, Kuma Lama, Kuma Sadi, Kuma Afur, Kuma Shan, Kuma Ja'a, Kuma Torba, Kuma Saddet, Kuma Sagal. So to count until 1,000, the only thing we have to worry of remembering is 10 and 20, Quran and the Digdama. I hope this is clear. And now let's go to reading some numbers. This is where the difference is. Probably those who know English will understand how Oromo always counted. So the first one is Ibalama. So it's a reverse, but it is not 200, but the reverse is Ibba Lama. That's not the difference. It's in Ethiopian language, I know it follows the English one. The number first and the Ibba, the percent next. Ibba Lama. But here is where we have exactly similar as we call English. 145. Ibba Aforif. Ibba, sorry, I wrote wrong. Ibba Aforif. Afortamishan was the answer. Ibba Aforif. Ibba, it's all wrong. Ibba Tokov, because it's 100. Ibba Tokov. Afortamishan. Afortamishan. Ibba Tokov. Afortamishan. We don't call Ibba Tokov Afortamishan. We have to have that, like we have that in English. 145. Ibba Tokov Afurtami Shan. Ibba Tokov Lama. Ibba Ja'af Shantama. Ibba Ja'af Shantama. 650. dhibba sagaliif sagaltamii sagal. Dhibba sagaliif sagaltamii sagal. If it is money, qarshii dhibba shaniif jaatamii torbaaf saantima torbaatamii shan. It's more um, similar to like 567 euro and 75 cents. That's how we call it in English, isn't it? They follow the same. Qarshi means Oromo money. It's just like mean euro or dollar. Qarshi dhibba shanii fi jaatamii torbaaf saantima torbaatamii shan. This is for numbers for in the hundreds. What about for numbers in thousands? Let's see. You can guess from this actually. So this is in thousands. Kuma tokko, 1,000. As we said, for 100, it is the kuma, the thousand comes first and the number next. Kuma tokko, it is not tokko kuma. Some people, many people who are learners say tokko kuma. That's wrong. Kuma tokko is the right one. 2,551. As you can imagine, in English, we exactly say the same. Kuma lamafi dhibba shanifi. I miss it again. Sorry. Dhibba shanifi shantami tokko. Kuma lamafi dhibba shanifi shantami tokko. Look at the next. Kuma sagalifi dhibba tokko. Kuma sagalifi dhibba tokko. Kuma afurifi dhibba shanifi afurtamii shan. Kuma afurifi dhibba shanifi afurtamii shan. Kuma saddeetiif tokko. It is so easy, isn't it? Just follow the way we call English numbers, and that's exactly how we count in Oromo. I hope this helps, and I'll back to you to the numbers one more time, the original numbers. 0, tokko, lama, sadi, afur, shan, ja'a, torba, saddeet, sagal. Afan Oromo numbers are really very short and very memorable, and I hope you can learn and start counting in Oromo. Have a nice day. Bye.